In this video we learn how to fix the audio service is not running on Windows 10 PC. So first of all, right click on Windows icon. Now in here click on Computer Management. Now click on Services and Applications. In here click on Services, scroll down and find out Windows Audio. Double click on it. Now change the startup type as automatic. Click on Apply, then OK. Now restart your PC. I hope by this easy and simple method, Windows audio not running problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.